Guys, we're headed to Zion, but of course we had to stop at Las Vegas and check out some cool things.
Let's go!
Let's go! Guys, this is what a self-driving car looks like, but got a bunch of sensors everywhere. Like everywhere. Those blue things, so cool. Ooh. Oh, he doesn't have his hands on the steering wheel, but I can't get a good glimpse of it.
Really?
Yeah, his
Not
that suits. Guys, here's New York. In Las Vegas. Dad is taking us to it. I don't know what it is, but it looks like there's chocolate right there. Guys, two competitors. Guys, a reason. My dream come true. Dad, look at all the chocolate. I almost want to get this is $35.
Smells like chocolate in here.
This $15. It's $15. Oh no, they don't. How many bites can I get for $1, guys?
How many bites of what?
How many bites of fat can I get?
Chocolate Statue of Liberty. Oh, I'm gonna eat that for dinner.
I want all of it. Look, there's a little house. The chocolate statue.
I eat 100 pounds of chocolate.
Dude, look.
There's a roller coaster.
Yeah, can we go on? Are we going on it? This is pretty cool. Like if it weren't for the sprinkler heads, I almost thought that was a real
Bryce.
sky.
When I walked in here, I literally thought it was the real sky.
Dad, show them.
Because literally it's like dark too. Like it's darkish.
One day I'm going to Italy to ride a real gondola. I'm just kidding.
What you think so far? Just hot.
I hate this place.
You're feeling blue.
I'm just kidding. It's awesome.
Bryce's red is feeling. His awesomeness is everywhere. Is that what it is?
Pretty sure that's what the shirt said.
Guys, it's the M&M race car.
Guys, thanks to Mr. Esau, we know where we're going. It's Sinawava in Zion, so we're headed there.
Woo! Let's go. Guys, we're here at Zion National Park, and we're about to go find the clue. If we can get past all this traffic.
You excited, Bryce?
I'm super excited to find the next clue.
6.5 hours later.
Okay guys, so camera malfunctioned and we didn't get the footage, but we did find this in Zion. I think it's clue 5 or clue 6, something like that. But it says, get your quadrant and watch and head to Ebenezer's cave and it has like coordinates, I think. So we think we know what this is, but we need your help just in case y'all know what it is. So smash that like button and subscribe. Comment down below if you know what this means. You can also pause the video. Okay, bye guys.